Hi guys, we received this FitBeast back roller for gripping purposes, so I'm gonna take it out of the box and okay, it comes with kind of a travel bag, which is nice. Look here, box. Okay, so I'm gonna open it, and it comes with the 𝗬𝗍 guide, which is really nice. Okay, and this is the proper back roller. Okay, it's a nice size one. So, well, it comes with the exclusive plan and sound tutorial videos to see how it's used. Okay, so well, I'm gonna use it here in my room, lay on the floor and use it and see how it feels. Okay, so I'm here in my floor and this is the back roller, so I'll just put it a little bit more back and pull. Okay, so it feels really nice. It rolls perfectly and has this pattern, so we can feel even greater if it was just, well, round. So it's a really nice back roller, and I will actually really recommend it. See ya!